Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at Costa sunglasses, model TRT11 in color code 0BMP. The color of the frame is black. And the lenses are blue polarized mirrored. These glasses are also a rectangular shape. On its temples, you'll find the Costa logo. On both sides. There's also a sticker that says it's 100% polarized and 100% UV protected. The glasses also come with a Costa box, a Costa hard case, a blue Costa cleaning cloth, a Costa sticker, and a Costa manufacturer information booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, make sure to check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.